Alright, 10-53, it says rewrite using only positive exponents. So we have 3x squared y times 5x. So I like to take the numbers and multiply, so that gives you 15. X squared times x is x cubed, and there's no y. So that is my answer simplified. Oopsie, I don't want that. Okay, B is x squared y cubed times x to the negative 2 y to the negative 2. And then when you multiply, you get x squared times x to the negative 2, which is x to the negative 4th, y cubed times, oh, and I just made a huge mistake right here because I'm rushing a little bit. X squared times x, this is not the correct answer, so you have x squared times x to the negative 2 y cubed times y to the negative 2. So one of the things that you have to realize is when we multiply bases that are the same and they have exponents, we add them, okay? And when I did this originally, I multiplied it, not because I don't know the rules, but because I'm rushing and it's easy. It's kind of like when you multiply instead of add, or you multiply when you should add. It's just a common mistake and it's easy to do, so you want to be careful. So we're adding 2 plus negative 2, so this is going to be x to the 0 power, and then y cubed times y to the negative 2, we're adding, and so then we get y. Remember, x to the 0 power is just 1, so my answer is going to be y. Alright, C is going to be x cubed divided by x to the negative 2. And so remember, this is x cubed, and I like to put this up here so it's positive, so it becomes, the negative exponent becomes positive, so then we get x to the 5th, and that's your answer. And then the last one, D, is we have 2x to the negative 1 cubed. So then what this does is, this is an exponent, so 2 is to the first power, so this gets distributed to every exponent. Okay, they're exponents, so it can only get distributed to an exponent. And a common mistake is students will take 3 times 2, and that's totally wrong. So it's an exponent, so you can distribute to other exponents, and so you get 2 to the 3rd, and then x to the negative 3. And then we simplify it a little more, and we get 8 divided by x cubed, because we want our exponents to be positive.